KXPT Las Vegas from the Findlay Toyota.
And your camera run off. Get too bold. I'm allergic to that nose. My wrist game on cold. I might pick my coupe white just to match with my toes.
Is thrown as the #1 artist with the most monthly listens, and you'll never guess who did it. It was The Weeknd. If you want to get Justin back up there, you better stream this one. It's Ghost on Pop Crush Nights.
Young blood thinks there's always